Stars, I'm Mattie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet became an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all some benefits of almond milk. Almond milk just so happens to be one of my favorite things, and on today I'm also going to be making up a smoothie that I'm going to be sharing with you all that contains almond milk. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, almond milk is a very nutritious, low-calorie drink that's become very popular, especially over the past few years. It is made by grinding almonds, mixing them with water, and then filtering the mixture to create something that looks similar to milk, and that also has a nutty flavor. Usually, extra nutrients such as calcium, riboflavin, vitamin E, and vitamin D are added to boost its nutritional content. Here are some reasons that most of us are stuck like glue on almond milk. Almond milk is low in calories. Almond milk happens to be much lower in calories than cow milk. Some people find this crazy because almonds are high in fat and they are also high in calories. However, due to the way that almond milk is processed, only a small amount of almonds are present in the finished product. Now, almond milk is great for those who want to cut calories and cut down some extra weight. Are you looking for something that's low in sugar? Look no further. Almond milk is just that. Unsweetened varieties of almond milk are low in sugar, but make sure that you are checking the nutritional values of your almond milk by checking out what all is in this product, how much sugar it does and does not contain, to make sure that you are picking up the right almond milk, because sometimes commercial almond milks tend to contain loads and loads of sugar. Here's a vitamin that we need but we don't always get: vitamin E. And guess what? Almond milk is high in it. Almonds are naturally high in vitamin E, providing 37% of the daily vitamin E requirement. Therefore, almond milk is also another natural source of vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that combats stress and also inflammation in the body. It can also help to protect against heart disease and cancer. Here's another good one. Almond milk is a great source of calcium. Milk and other dairy products are great sources of calcium. In comparison, almond milk contains a smaller amount of calcium, but you can still get your calcium intake in without consuming cow's milk. Because almond milk is typically used as a replacement for cow's milk, manufacturers typically enrich it with calcium to ensure that we are not missing out on that daily intake of calcium that we definitely need. And the last but not least thing that I'm going to share with you all is that almond milk is often enriched with vitamin D. Vitamin D is an important nutrient for many aspects of good health, including heart function, bone function, and immune function. Your body can produce it when your skin is exposed to sunlight. However, 30 to 50% of people do not get enough vitamin D, and that is where your almond milk can come in handy. And those are just a few things that I have to share with you all on today about almond milk. Let's go.
So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave.
Today I will be using my Ninja blender, which will be listed down below for all of my glam fam that are interested in purchasing their very own. I'm starting off by adding in a glass of unsweetened almond milk. Now I am adding in like 2 or 3 hands full of frozen strawberries and bananas, and after that I'm going to add in my yogurt of choice. And last but not least, I will be using Nature's Valley Protein and Vitamin Vanilla Mix. And this is the last ingredient that I will be adding in. After this, I am blending up my mixture.
My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go.
So you all, I have my smoothie here and I'm going to take me a good sip of it. Let me see what it tastes like. Now this is pretty good. Let me go enjoy my smoothie, okay? Let me know down below if you will be testing out this smoothie because I'd love to know. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.
Yeah, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what